So guys, today I will tell you the difference between the original Samsung display and the aftermarket display. This is also AMOLED display. This cost 3500 Indian rupee, and this is the original display. The touch is not working. This portion touch is not working, so I replaced this. And this is the A50 model, and this is how the original display looks like inside. This is the 100% original display I took out from this phone, and this is the aftermarket display. You can see there is the curve is larger. This is a U curve, and sorry, it is V curve, V shape, and this is a U curve. You can see this is a U curve, and the repair shop told me that fingerprint will work, but the fingerprint doesn't work in this phone. When the phone is repaired, I saw the aftermarket display also have this type of hole in the display, but the hole is not perfectly round. I mean, this is the original hole. You can see in the aftermarket the hole is not good, so the fingerprint sensor doesn't work, and the display quality is good. But there is a problem after I change the display. Let's see. If I keep this phone standby mode and I turn on, after a while it gives a flash of light. Wait, you will see you. No, it's not. Wait for, I will show you the flash of this display, aftermarket display. It is just a 6-month-old display. I repaired the phone about 6 months ago, but I have already a problem. Wait for it. I will show the flashing light in the display. This is the original model. There is also barcode. You can see the barcode and the displays. The shopkeeper or the mechanician told me that this display can be repaired, but I think there must be an error here. My phone was water damaged, but display is working, but this lower portion touch is not working. This is the main reason I have to change the display. Did you see the flash in the screen? This is the main problem I'm facing right now in the phone. The shopkeeper or the technician told me to software update or change the software from the phone. I also reboot and change the software via Odin, but doesn't work. The display is working fine, no other problem. This is the only problem when I turn on. So guys, please, if you have any problem with the phone whose display have AMOLED display, please buy a perfect AMOLED copy or the original one. No one can beat the original one. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.